Do you have hundreds of unread emails in your inbox and want to delete them all at once? I'll show you how to clean up your inbox in just few simple steps. Let's go. First, open AOL Mail in your browser and log into your account. Go to your inbox or the folder where you want to delete all emails. At the top of your inbox, click the checkbox next to the sort by option to select all emails on that page. You should now see an option to select all emails in that folder. Click that. After that, click the delete button at the top of your inbox. It will remove all the selected emails at once. To confirm, click OK on the pop-up message and all emails will be deleted. How often do you clean up your inbox or do you keep everything? Let me know your habits in the comments. If you can't select all emails, it could be because your folder has too many emails or filters are applied. Try adjusting the view or clearing up any filters. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.